Lemongrass, esteemed for its refreshing citrus aroma and delicate tangy flavor, has garnered admiration across centuries for its culinary applications and therapeutic virtues. This essay delves deeply into the multifaceted benefits of integrating lemongrass into the diet, encompassing its historical roots, nutritional attributes, culinary versatility, and profound health advantages. This essay underscores why lemongrass holds a pivotal role in modern-day dietary practices. 1. Historical significance. Lemongrass, Cymbopogon citratus, boasts a venerable history deeply embedded in various cultural and culinary traditions. Its usage dates back millennia in ancient Ayurvedic practices and traditional medicines, where it was cherished for its medicinal properties and aromatic allure. Unearthing its historical significance provides profound insights into its cultural resonance and culinary traditions, illuminating how lemongrass has transcended geographical boundaries to become a globally revered herb. 2. Nutritional composition. Lemongrass presents a rich tapestry of essential nutrients, including vital vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate. Essential minerals, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and potent antioxidants, flavonoids, phenolic compounds. A meticulous exploration of its nutritional composition unveils its substantial contributions to overall health and well-being when incorporated into daily dietary regimens. This section will delve into detailed analyses of its nutrient density and the health implications of its bioactive compounds, showcasing how lemongrass can serve as a cornerstone of a balanced diet. 3. Culinary uses and recipes. In culinary spheres, lemongrass stands out for its remarkable versatility, imparting a zestful, citrusy essence to an array of dishes. From aromatic soups and curries to refreshing teas and marinades, lemongrass transcends culinary boundaries with its distinctive flavor profiles and aromatic complexity. A comprehensive exploration of its culinary applications and diverse recipes not only underscores its gastronomic appeal, but also enhances appreciation for its transformative role in elevating culinary experiences worldwide. 4. Digestive health benefits. Among its myriad benefits, lemongrass garners acclaim for its potential to support digestive health. Enriched with therapeutic compounds, lemongrass may aid in alleviating digestive discomforts such as bloating, indigestion, and stomach cramps. Scientific insights and empirical evidence corroborate its efficacy as a digestive aid, shedding light on its role in promoting gastrointestinal well-being and digestive equilibrium. Lemongrass is a natural wonder for digestive health, offering a multitude of benefits to soothe and support the digestive system. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, bloating, and cramps, while promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Lemongrass also relaxes the muscles in the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of constipation, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Additionally, its antispasmodic properties help regulate bowel movements and alleviate digestive discomfort. By incorporating lemongrass into your diet or using it as a supplement, you can promote a healthy gut microbiome, support digestion, and enjoy a more comfortable and balanced digestive experience. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Lemongrass harbors a treasure trove of bioactive constituents, notably citral and citronellal, which exert potent anti-inflammatory effects. These properties manifest in mitigating inflammation within the body, offering potential benefits for conditions ranging from arthritis to inflammatory bowel diseases. In-depth examinations of its anti-inflammatory mechanisms provide compelling evidence of its therapeutic potency and underscore its therapeutic potential in mitigating chronic inflammatory ailments. 6. Antimicrobial and antifungal effects. Scientific inquiries unveil lemongrass's robust antimicrobial and antifungal attributes, predominantly attributed to its high citral content. These inherent properties render it a formidable natural agent against microbial pathogens and fungal infections, highlighting its pivotal role in fortifying immune defenses and combating infectious ailments. Detailed explorations into its antimicrobial mechanisms and clinical applications illuminate its profound implications for bolstering immune resilience and fostering microbial balance within the body. 7. Stress reduction and mental well-being. Beyond its culinary and medicinal virtues, Lemongrass exerts a profound influence on mental well-being, revered for its soothing aroma and calming effects. Widely utilized in aromatherapy and herbal remedies, lemongrass is esteemed for its capacity to alleviate stress, anxiety, and tension, promoting emotional equilibrium and psychological resilience. An in-depth exploration of its aromatic attributes and therapeutic applications elucidates its therapeutic efficacy in nurturing mental serenity and fostering holistic well-being. 8. Cardiovascular health benefits. Emerging scientific evidence underscores lemongrass's potential in enhancing cardiovascular health by modulating cholesterol levels and regulating blood pressure. These cardiovascular benefits underscore its pivotal role in mitigating cardiovascular risk factors and fortifying heart health. Comprehensive investigations into its cardioprotective mechanisms and clinical outcomes offer compelling insights into its therapeutic potential in safeguarding cardiovascular integrity and optimizing cardiovascular function. 9. Weight management and metabolic benefits. Recent studies illuminate lemongrass's promising role in facilitating weight management and metabolic equilibrium. Enriched with bioactive compounds, lemongrass may stimulate metabolic processes, enhance fat metabolism, and mitigate adipose tissue accumulation, thereby fostering sustainable weight management practices. A detailed analysis of its metabolic effects and clinical implications unveils its transformative potential in supporting metabolic health and promoting sustainable weight management endeavors. 10. Skincare and hair care benefits. In addition to its internal health benefits, lemongrass emerges as a prized ally in skincare and hair care regimens. Endowed with potent antioxidants, lemongrass may shield the skin from oxidative stress, combat premature aging, and promote skin radiance. Its antimicrobial properties extend to scalp care, where it may alleviate scalp conditions and foster optimal hair health. Detailed examinations of its dermatological benefits and cosmetic applications illuminate its therapeutic efficacy in enhancing skin vitality, promoting hair growth, and nurturing overall dermatological well-being. In conclusion, lemongrass emerges as a multifaceted botanical treasure celebrated for its culinary versatility, medicinal prowess, and therapeutic allure. From its storied historical legacy and nutrient-rich composition to its expansive culinary applications and profound health benefits, lemongrass epitomizes a cornerstone of holistic dietary practices. Embracing lemongrass not only enriches culinary experiences, but also champions comprehensive well-being, transcending culinary boundaries to foster a harmonious union of gastronomic delight and therapeutic efficacy. As global enthusiasm for holistic health and culinary innovation continues to burgeon, lemongrass stands poised as an exemplar of botanical excellence, epitomizing nature's bounty and enduring allure in shaping contemporary dietary paradigms.